Whoa, you gotta be kidding me. There is a train coming. We're going to leave to buy ice cream and I suddenly hear a train horn. You gotta be kidding me. I see his light. Get the ball. Come on, railroad crossing. You're wasting time. This is a second train of 2026. You gotta be kidding me. Johnny, this is the second train of 2026.
2 days in a row.
Yeah. Many cars are coming. I think this is slow one. It's the fastest one. Incoming train, get out the track. Out the track, get out the track. I see his light. The road crossing is kind of quiet. You're gonna be loud. Whoa! You gotta be kidding me. I see it! I see it! Is that an engine? Come on, train. So this is the end of the video. See you on the next video. Bye. I still see you over there. This is the loudest.